Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika's Vibe. I'm here with another workout video and today I'm gonna share with you 5-minute warm-up routine. It's very important to perform a proper warm-up before any type of physical activity. The purpose of a warm-up is to prevent injury by increasing the body's core and muscle temperature. So let's get into the video, but before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every time I upload a new video. So let's get started.
What's wrong with me? Where should I be?
What's wrong with me?
So yeah, that's the 5 minutes warm-up routine. You can do it before starting any physical activities. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and do let me know what is your warm-up routine. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Stay fit, stay healthy, do your workout daily.